Hi guys, this is Omo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I will show you my favorite recipe for white beans and meat. I cooked this in a tomato sauce and it's so yummy guys. So please give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. I already cooked my white beans in water for almost 2 hours because these are very hard to cook. You can buy the pre-cooked bean if you like. I just prefer to use the fresh one, but it takes time to cook. Start by heating the oil and adding the onions. Saute until the onions are tender. Guys, for the ingredient list and the exact measurement, please check the description box below. Then add the garlic and saute everything together. On the meat, I'm going to season it with black pepper, ground ginger, curry powder, and paprika. I will then add a little bit of salt and mix. This ingredient is optional, but I love to add some mustard on my meat and mix. Add the seasoned meat on the cooked onions and stir fry until your meat is brown. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more delicious African recipes. Now I'm going to cover my meat with water in order to cook until it's tender. Tell me in the comment box below what type of bean do you prefer, white, red or black. Personally, I prefer white beans, that's why I use it in this recipe, but you can use any type of beans for this recipe. Once the meat is almost done and the liquid is reduced, add the diced tomatoes and tomato paste. Don't add too much tomato paste in this recipe or it won't be that good. Mix this well, add some parsley. Sometimes I also add some basil leaf. Add the seasoning or bouillon cubes you like. Mix well and let the sauce cook until the tomatoes are tender. Then add your cooked beans and mix. Cover with water to cook and help all the flavors come together. I also love to add some sugar in my bean, but it is also optional. Also add some salt to your taste. This last ingredient is optional, but if you can get it, please add it. It's dry fish powder. This fish, we call it bonga in Guinea, and it tastes so good guys. So if you have it, add it. But if you don't, just omit it, it will be still good. Mix everything well. Cover and let it cook until the liquid is almost absorbed. Check often to prevent it from burning. And it's ready. Serve with bread and enjoy. If you love my recipe, please don't forget to rate the video and share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye.